All right, this is entrance ticket 1055 to 1061. Question number 1 tells us to find the exact volume of the sphere below. So we know that the formula for the volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi times the radius cubed. Now, in our sphere, though, they give us the diameter, right? Because diameter goes all the way across. So they have given us the diameter, which means the radius is half of that, or half of 14. So all we have to do is plug in. So the volume is 4/3 times pi times 7, right? Because it's half of 14, and then cubed. So once we get that, just enter this into the calculator exactly as it is, and it will give you the answer to this problem. All right, question number 2, what is the volume of the sphere below? Now this one says to use 3.14 for pi and round to the nearest tenth. So the nearest tenth is one place after the decimal. Okay, so if we are plugging in, let's see, we're going to do volume equals 4/3. Now you do want to use 3.14 instead of the pi button because that's what the directions tell us to do. And in this sphere as well, they give us the diameter because it goes all the way across. So half of that is the radius, which is half of 22, which is 11. And then we cube that. So for this one, we just put this into our calculator, and that gives us our answer. Now keep in mind we're rounding to the nearest tenth. So let's say the number is 3, let's say it's 33.39. If that were the answer, which it's not, we would round it to 33.4. Okay? And the last question. We have a composite figure here, and we need to find the volume. It says only write the number. So what we have here is 2 rectangular prisms together. So we can see that this one here is it's a 4 foot by 8 foot by 2 foot rectangular prism, and then this one here is a 2 foot by 2 foot by 3 foot rectangular prism. So what we want to do is find the volume of each one. So for the larger one, we'll do volume equals 4 times 8 times 2, and that is going to give us the volume of the larger one. Now the smaller one, we want to do 2 times 2 times 3. Now that's not all we need to do. We want to find the total volume. So what we need to do as a final step is add both volumes. Now once you do that, you're just going to type the answer into the space, and that is all. That's the end of this entrance ticket.